Hi beautiful family, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am going to be showing you how I make cloves and rosemary spray for hair growth. Now a lot of people has different method they make the spray, but in today's video I am going to be showing you the simplest and effective way to go about it. My first ingredient is cloves. If you have the powder one or the seed one, feel free to make use of any of them you have, okay? So these are how cloves look like. If you don't know what is cloves, just go to your local market, ask those women that sell spice, ask them about cloves, they will give it to you. Or if you cannot find it in your local market, you can find it in Amazon, okay? You need to ask yourself, why is it a lot of people are talking about cloves in this YouTube? Because the answer is cloves work. It really helps a lot to grow your hair, regrow your hair, give you new hair growth, keep your hair healthier if you use it in a right way. If you not use cloves in a right way, you not get that good result of using cloves on your hair. So try to know how to use cloves in a right way. Start incorporating it on your hair regimen. You will never ever regret it. So I just scoop out 2 tablespoons of my cloves into my plate. My next ingredient is dry rosemary leaf. If you have the fresh rosemary leaf, you can as well make use of it, okay? So what I have at this moment is dry rosemary leaf, or you have the powder dry rosemary leaf, you can as well make use of it, okay? Rosemary is another powerful recipe that grows hair like never before. Rosemary is a simple natural remedy but very powerful and potent. Rosemary is very effective in growing your hair super fast. When I mean super fast, don't joke with rosemary. You can use rosemary essential oil, you can use rosemary oil, you can use rosemary tea spray, rosemary butter. Anything concerning rosemary is very powerful. Do not let down on rosemary, okay? So incorporating these 2 ingredients together will give your hair a new look. Your hair will grow. You will see a lot of new growth on your hair, and you use it in a right way, the way I'm about to direct you in this video. Your hair will never be breaking off anymore or falling excessively, okay? So what I do also, I scoop out 2 tablespoons of my rosemary leaf. Like as I said, I'm going to show you guys the most effective and simplest way to make this recipe. Keep on watching. So after bringing my blender, I pour in the ingredient to the blender, pour water on them, and go off camera to blend it. The water I use warm water to blend it, a little water. After blending it, this is what I have. I bring my jar container to transfer the blending ingredient on it. Then I add hot water on the blending cup to rinse out all the blending ingredients, all the blending rosemary and cloves. But as you can see, I do not blend it to be super smooth, super powder form. No, I just blend it roughly blending. But if you have the powder ones, you don't need to go through this process. But please, if you don't have the powder ingredients, please make sure that you do this method. With this method, this tea spray will be very potent and very effective. There's no joke. If you want this tea spray to be super potent, follow this method and you see a great change while using these 2 recipes on your hair. So what I just did now, I cover it. I will keep it aside to infuse for 12 hours. You can as well infuse it 24 hours or 8 hours, but the longer time you feed the tea spray, the more potent, powerful it become, okay? After 12 hours, you see how darker, rich, powerful, effective this rosemary and clove tea spray look like. This is not your normal regular rosemary and cloves tea spray. As you can see, this particular one, the color is so different, so dark. Okay, so if you want this rosemary and clove tea spray to solve those your problem, to be a solution to that your hair growth problem, please follow up this method and you will see a great change while using the two recipes on your hair. What I do now, I use my sheaf cloth and my bowl to collect my tea spray. So far that you are doing this method or you have the powder one, make sure that you use something that have very tiny hole to strain it, so that there's no residues of this ingredient will stuck on your hair. Okay, so after then I transfer into my spray bottle for easy application. Do you see how darker, how potent, how effective this cloves and rosemary tea spray look like? This is the best cloves and rosemary tea spray you ever use on your hair. Yes, I said that. This cloves and rosemary tea spray will give you 10 times faster hair growth. So I have shown you the easiest effective way to prepare these two recipe. Now is how to use them. So I will show you the best way to use these two recipe for you to get that good result. The problem is not how to prepare it, but the problem is how to apply it for these two recipe, not to break off your hair, dry off your hair. Because if you don't know the proper way how to use these two recipe, believe me, they will break off your hair, dry off your hair. Okay, but this is spray meant to grow your hair faster, promote faster hair growth, solve your hair problems. So if you want to get the good benefit of this tea spray, you need to watch this video to the end. Do not be in hurry to click out. And if you are still watching, say yes, I'm still watching. I want to know the best way to use this to grow my hair faster. Now I apply this tea spray on my cornrows. Okay, like as always said, try to wear protective hairstyles. It will help you a lot. This is one of the ways for you to use this tea spray to grow your hair faster, wearing protective hairstyles. Okay, don't let down on protective hairstyle. If you are really out to grow your hair, if you are really ready to grow your hair, protective hairstyle should be your friend. And it's not anyhow protective hairstyle. And while taking down that your protective hairstyle, you need to learn how to take it down proper way, so that you retain those growths that you got in wearing that protective hairstyles. Okay, so applying this on my cornrows. My cornrows is clean. Okay, don't use this on a dirty hair. If you come across this video while your hair is dirty, please leave it. Prepare it when you wash your hair and start using it after washing your hair. That is the way you can get the good result, because hair growth comes from a good healthy scalp. If your scalp is dirty, I believe that this tea spray will not give you that good result it's supposed to give to you. So try to apply this on a clean scalp and then a clean strand of hair. Another way is focus on your problems area. If you have any problem area like your edges, your bald spots, your crown section, any of your problem areas you want to regrow, focus on that area. If you want to thicken up your hair, focus on your hair general. It's also very effective in thickening up your hair. And if you want to solve the problem of hair fall and also hair loss, focus on your scalp and your strand of hair. Another way to use this tea spray to get that best result, if you are using this tea spray, please do not use it in a cold form. Warm it a little bit so that it will help to open your hair cuticles. Okay, it's very important. Okay, that you use this tea spray in a warm form. Don't use it in a cold form. Okay. Another way to use this tea spray to get best result is to use it after applying it on your hair. Make sure that you massage your scalp so that this tea spray will penetrate deeply in your scalp to do that work it meant to do. Do not just apply it and leave your hair like that. You will not see the results. So try to massage your scalp like 5 minutes, 7 minutes, 10 minutes, 3 minutes, depend on you. Okay, massage it so that it can work it in properly, so that you get that good result while using this tea spray. Another way to use this tea spray to get best result is to use it as your leave-in tea spray or your leave-in treatment, don't wash it out. If you want to get the best result, do not wash the tea spray out of your hair. Allow the tea spray to sit on your hair to do that work it meant to do on your hair. So now let's talk on how to prevent this cloves and rosemary tea spray not to break off your hair or dry off your hair. How to prevent it is following up with a good sealant, a good moisturizer. You can use your leave-in condition or your hair growth butter. Please do not apply the tea spray without you sealing in the moisture with a good sealant. Okay, that is the only way that this tea spray will break off your hair. But if you always moisturize your hair whenever you do tea spray, you see in the hair with a good sealant, a good butter, your hair will never dry or break off with this tea spray. Usage: you can use this tea spray 3 to 4 times in a week for that best results. Okay, you can as well use it every day. Okay, if you want to go on a challenge with it like 7 days or 2 weeks challenge, you can as well use it every day. But while using it, make sure that you moisturize your hair. Okay, do not allow your hair to dry. Okay, and also try to be sleeping with satin bonnets. It will help you a lot, or satin pillowcase. Don't allow your hair to dry unnecessary. Okay, so that you get the good result while using this tea spray on your hair. So storage: this tea spray can last only but 5 days to 7 days in your refrigerator. Anyone that remaining, please make sure that you discard it and make a fresh batch. So I hope I have shown you the best way to use the tea spray and the best way to prepare it for that best results. So if you have any addition or anything to say, please let me know in comment section below. And also, if you have tried before this method before, let me know in comment section below. And if you have not tried it, I will encourage you to give it a try, and you're going to see a great change on your hair. Okay, so guys, I have come to end of today's video. Please, if you have not join this brave family, do wait to click on that subscribe button, and once you subscribe, please turn on your post notification bell to all, so that YouTube will notify you whenever I upload a new videos. Okay, and also help me to like this video. It really encourage me a lot to bring out more good content to you guys. Okay, and it help the growth of the channel. Lastly, help me to share this video to your family and friends, so that this video will get to a lot of people and help them to solve their hair problems. Okay, so guys, I love you guys so much, but God love you more. See you guys on my next video. Remain blessed out there. Bye.